Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza recipe at home step by step. Preheat oven to 475 degrees F and set a rack in the lower third. Combine 3 cups flour, 1 tsp yeast, 1 tsp salt, and 1 cup warm water, then knead until smooth. Let the dough rise until doubled, about 60 minutes, then shape, top lightly with sauce and cheese, and bake until crust is golden and bubbly. Start by weighing ingredients for consistent results, using 3 cups flour, 1 tsp yeast, 1 tsp salt, and 1 cup water. Mix and knead for 8 to 10 minutes until elastic, then oil the bowl lightly and cover. Allow the dough to rise in a warm spot until doubled, which usually takes about 60 minutes, then press out gases and divide into portions for individual pizzas. Keep the sauce simple. Crushed tomatoes, salt, a drizzle of olive oil, and a pinch of oregano. Spread a thin layer of sauce, leave a 3-5-inch border for the crust, and use moderate cheese to avoid soggy pizza. Bake on a hot pizza stone or tray preheated at 475 degrees F for 8 to 12 minutes, rotating halfway until cheese bubbles and crust turns golden brown. Let pizzas rest for 2 minutes before slicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.